There she is, Pinky. Hi, Pinker. She's our albino new little baby girl. Yeah. Her grandpa was Jacob. Her uncle was Jacob Jr. Her great-grandpa was Jacob. Yeah, and her mommy is Miss Gray, and her uncle is Mr. Gray. There she is. Isn't she the sweetest little angel you ever saw in your life right there? Say hello. There's her papa, Giuseppe Verdi. There's her uncle, Timothy. Say hello. Here she is. Her puppy is sitting on top of the nest. But her mommy's inside. Miss Gray has more eggs inside. There's a piece of watermelon. Yummy. Yeah. Ooh, yum. Say hello, Pinky. Hello, Pinky. There's Timothy. He's a canary. Oh, he's a beauty. He's a beauty. Yeah, he's a beauty. Pinky is a budgie, a parakeet. She's 1 month old and she started to fly. There she is. Oh, Pinky. Hi, Pinker. Say hello. These are our birds. This is our bird room. Yeah, this is the bird room. Oh, this is the little angel birdie. Say hello, birdie. Hello, there's Timothy. He's our Shih Tzu, and there's his wife, Rosie. She's 17 years old. That's Rosie. Yeah. Timothy's a 1.5 years. Well, actually, she's 2 years old this month. Yeah. She's 2 years old. And there's our cage. That's an aviary with our birdie. Say hello. Say hello. There's Jonathan. He's a Gloucester crested. And his puppy is a crested Moses. And in the middle we have a Norwich, Peter Jr. Yeah. He's a sweetheart. There's a little white Frenchy. There's a white French. Yeah. And there's Mr. Green. Hello, Mr. Green. Hello. And there's our other albino. That's Jacob Jr. Yeah. Oh, and there's Candy. There's Candy. Candy is an English budgie. She's an English budgie. Hello, Candy. Say hello, Candy. I love you, Candy. Okay. Candy's sleeping. And over here, we have our other cage with our little Finchy. Their wife, husband and wife. Little white Ray Jr. and his little wife, Grace. Ja. Really sweetheart. Hello. And over here we have another cage. And in here we have our cockatiels, Poppy, Sammy, and his wife, Gloria. Hello. Hello. Sammy and Gloria. Say hello. And who's that coming in the house with the broom? Oh, okay. We don't take Poppy's picture. Okay, Poppy says no. There's a little canary, Peter Jr., and that's Mr. Gray. Yeah, that's the uncle of our new little albino Pinky. Yeah. Okay.